Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing this course on how to start and grow your career in machine learning. With companies in almost every industry finding ways to adopt machine learning, the demand for engineers and developers is higher than ever. Now is the best time to start considering a career in machine learning, and this course is here to guide you. We hope to provide you with the resources you need to start on the path towards landing the job you want and growing professionally in this space. We'll start by going over a few of the major career paths you could possibly pursue. Then we'll discuss ways you can gain the experience you'll need to succeed before we jump into how to approach the interview process, internships, and full-time jobs. I'll also provide some of my own tips throughout the course and give some insight from my own experiences navigating school, interviews, internships, and the job hunt. This course is designed for anyone thinking about pursuing machine learning related degrees in college or graduate school, students in school who are looking to find internships and full-time jobs, and anyone who is at all curious about what it takes to get a start in machine learning and related fields. Feel free to take a look at the course description for a more detailed overview of what we cover. Thanks again for joining us in this course, and we look forward to seeing you in class.